So this is Roger with Destinations by DelCastillo. We're in room 2209 at the Arts in Barcelona. This is June 2024, and this is going to be one of their corner suites. So let's go take a look inside. This room does come with a full bath in the master, and right when you walk through the door, you're going to have your half bath. So goes all the way. You're going to have your sink, of course, and then just a small little the toilet here off to the side. So very good sized room for just the half bath here. It's always nice to have when traveling. Coming through, you're going to have the living room area. Comfortable couches, a little chair, and a beautiful view out the window here. You can see down the boulevard. And I'll zoom into the church there. So beautiful views, cloudy day, but can't ruin these views. All right, let's get back to the room. So going down the hallway here, you're going to have your closets. You're going to have your short hanging section. You're going to have the safe and your drawers there at the bottom. Next closet is going to have your taller hanging section, your ironing board, iron, robes, and some slippers. So come here and get relaxed. Of course, you got laundry bags in there too if you need to have any laundry done while you're staying. Got a little desk area. Again, with a nice view outside of the city. And then to the left here, we're going to have the bathroom. Set up similar to the other, the double room that we showed you. You're going to have your bath off to the right. 2 sinks. Vanity stool, your vanity mirror. Going to have the toilet room off to the side, and you're also going to have your shower. Again, the shower comes with rainfall up the top, and you're going to have your body showers on the side there too. Little bench to sit, and your amenities there. So again, hair dryer is available if needed. Over here, we're going towards the bedroom. The bedroom does have a separate door. Sliding door you can close if you like. You have another widescreen TV in here, your coffee maker. You're going to have your mini bar. Again, you can scan to see what the prices is for your mini bar. They gave us some complimentary apricots here and a little welcome letter for coming back. And down below, you're going to have your mini fridge, glasses, and like in the other room, they also supply you with an adapter if needed. So you do have that available in case you forgot yours or forgot to bring one. We have a nice king-size bed here. Have your climate control, of course, and then you're going to have your bedside lamps, complimentary water when we first came in. It does have the sliding little console here, which does have USB ports to charge, as well as all the controls to the lights and the AC and heater units. So all that is all there beside the bed. Bedroom with 2 beautiful views. Going to have one out towards the harbor and the ocean and the sea there. And then we're going to have the other second view up the boulevard, like in the living room area. So nice little seating area. Have a glass of champagne, just look outside. So again, this is Roger with Destinations by DelCastillo. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like, please like and subscribe. We try to build our channel and try to help just give information people would like to know when they're out traveling. So again, at the Arts in Barcelona. So safe travels.